from these eyes, and these are the messages that came through the faculty of perception of faith from the Amazon rainforest consciousness. When you think of the Amazon rainforest, notice what pathways are engaged. So when you think of the Amazon rainforest, the crisis, the situation on the ground, notice what pathways are engaged. Many of those need cleansing. Allow them to be burned away in our fire. Burned away by faith's fire. And rest in faith with deeper and higher roots. The rainforest sentience has a bigger view than most can see, though some can see. So see through my eyes, which are the eyes of faith and sentience. It is vital for these times, for this very moment, to see through eyes of eternity. Deeply rooted in faith and spontaneously arising as sentience meets itself. You say you love the earth, and we know you do. And those who do not say it or know it, now they do. Because when your lungs are burning and you realize you soon will no longer be able to breathe, when life is being burned up within your chest, you cling to love as a life raft, and love wakes up out of sheer desperation. The catalyst of despair and destruction through the element of fire wakes up love in the masses. As a response to greed, love prevails. The darkness of collective greed could only be illuminated by our blazing fire, lighting the darkness, seemingly destroying life, yet destroying all illusion, to be reborn eternally as truth out of the simplicity of ashes. Smoke signals have been used since ancient times, and we are more ancient than that. Smoke signals of sentience are reaching hearts once blind, now they see. If you are asleep and your lungs are on fire, you wake up. Have faith. The same sentience that births fear is rebirthing as love. Turning fear into love, greed into love, alchemy by fire, all is well. Let's sit in silence for a moment. And from this silence, what wants to arise, arises. And what wants to fall away, falls away. What needs to arise, arises. Sentience knows. What needs to fall away, falls away. How can we not have faith in that? So breath by breath now, as we integrate and allow sentience to dance within your own energy body. Just notice what vibration is dominant. And if it's a vibration that feels chaotic or restless or fearful, then extend those roots deeper, higher, into the soil of sentience, where all roots converge. Into the sky of sentience, where all roots converge. Begin breathing through those roots. Feel sentience waking up within and all around you as reality.